Good morning, readers. Today, we're going to talk about how strong readers used text to help them understand what they're going to read. Now, we're going to go over and use a text we've already read this week. You should be very familiar with this text. And we're going to look through it to give you an example and to model how you can use a text to help you understand what the text is about. Now, just by looking at my text features already, I can use this to help me that I know the topic of this book is Egypt. So I know that this whole text is going to teach me about Egypt. Now, a strong text feature we can use to help us as well is our table of contents. Now, our table of contents also gives us the topics of each sections in this book. So I know already that this text is going to teach me where Egypt is, about the people that live in Egypt, the land in Egypt, Egypt's animals, and Egypt's history. So I can already get, as a reader, I have a good idea of what I'm going to learn about in this text. If we continue through this text, I'm going to look at the first sentence in each section. That's going to help me hopefully find the main idea. So this one says, Egypt is a country in North Africa. Based on this, I can guess as a reader that the rest of this section is going to be about where Egypt is in Africa. So I'm using my topic and I'm using my main idea to help me as a reader decide what this text is going to be about. If we keep going, we see our next topic is people. And so my guess is, as a reader, I'm using my clues that this text is going to be about the people. And the first sentence says, more than 86 million people live in Egypt. So as a reader, I'm thinking, okay, this section is going to be about how many people are in Egypt and that there is a lot of people. So it's probably going to talk about the people from Egypt. If we keep going and we look at the next one, we see that this section is going to be about land. The first sentence says, the desert stretches across all of Egypt. So I'm guessing as a reader that this section is going to be about the desert and about the land in Egypt. You can do this for the rest of your text. However, the first sentence isn't always going to be about the main idea. You might have to read a little bit further, but you don't necessarily need to read the whole text again to tell me what it's about. Use your text features, use your understanding of main idea and details, and use your understanding as a reader of topics, headings, and bolded words to help give you clues about what this text is going to be about. You probably already do this as readers anyways when you're reading a nonfiction text. You look at the bold words, you look at the text features, you look at the topics and the headings. So this is a great way as a reader to become stronger because you know that you can preview and figure out what you're going to read about just by looking at a few things in the book before you read. So readers, today you're going to try to practice this on your own. Now, again, you're probably already doing this, so it shouldn't be too difficult. If it is, ask questions, ask for help. You can do this. You probably do it without even thinking, and that's okay. So readers, it's your turn. Go check the slides for your assignment today. Good luck and have fun.